Maybe you should show me this honey tree.
I guess we could.
I'm not going back there. Those bees.
Harry! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here, Missy! Come here! Come here!
What's your friend doing, little bear?
Oh, she likes to study things. Come here!
Oh,
Come here!
What do bees do with honey anyway?
it's their food. We take some.
Here I am. Lucy, come here. Come here, Lucy.
Share my honey.
Come here.
You were a bee.
Come here.
You have to share.
Come here.
You love honey.
Come here, Lucy. Come here.
What are the bees doing, Mitzi?
Lucy, come here.
No, they won't.
Come here, Lucy. Come here. Lucy, let's go. Come here, come
It's okay.
here.
Bees are asleep.
Ow!
That doesn't look like honey.
That's the honeycomb. The honey's inside.
Are you leaving some for the bees?
Do you think there's enough?
Just about, Grandfather Bear. Thank you, bees.
You wake me up!
Honey-baked apples. I can hardly wait.
No way!
I do love honey.
Come here, Lucy. Wake me up! Is it over? Alice? Yeah. No way. Maybe we can play with this. Play with this.
Were you playing with Lucy?
I want to play with this.
Was she wild?